Wouldn't it be great if you could go to a live dealer-only auction and buy the car of your dreams and save thousands while doing so? For most of us, that just isn't going to happen. Every week, dealers are buying tens of thousands of cars, $5,000 to $10,000 under retail and trade-in values, and turning around and making massive profits for their multi-million-dollar facilities. We are highly trained in the auto industry with a combined 200 years of experience. What we do is give real dealer auction appraisals. In other words, we tell you what the dealer paid for the vehicle in question. We are a neutral third party who has absolutely no interest in buying or selling you a car. Don't let the dealers talk you into buying a car at book value. Online values are grossly inflated and used for banks and lenders to loan on cars, not what they are actually worth. For a small fee, we will give you a real appraisal by a real person, not an auto-generated appraisal. We look forward in helping you get the best deal possible on your next vehicle purchase.